backbone of Gold Mobility is our service department, and we've been servicing mobility equipment since 1988. 1988, my family started this company, and we started by fixing everything. And today we sell products like vehicle adaptations, home access products, and products to make your life better. And we service everything we sell. We sell items in our showroom like beds, lift chairs, walkers, scooters, wheelchairs, and the list goes on. I want to show you guys our service department. That's where the magic happens. Welcome to Golden Mobility Service Department. Inside of here, you're going to see things like lifts. We're working on power chairs and scooters. You'll see lifts. We're working on vehicles. We have a full receiving department. Our shop is about 4,500 square feet, and under most days, we can have almost 5 or 6 vehicles in here. Over here, this is where we build the wheelchair accessible vans. This is our full metal fab shop on this side. Today the shop is quiet. This is our cleaning day. Under normal circumstances, there could be school buses, there could be RVs, there could be cars, vans, 4x4 sprinters, you never really know. Here at Gold Mobility, we have this shop to take care of your equipment. If something goes wrong, we're here to help you. We're here to fix it. We have delivery vehicles on the road every day. We got your back. At Gold Mobility, we will service all mobility equipment. We help people reinvent themselves.